Want to improve your gaming setup? Consult our Ultimate Gaming Gadgets Guide of 2022. From headphones to computer mice, these gadgets level up your play. You love your current gaming setup, but perhaps a component or two could use an upgrade. Then check out our Ultimate Gaming Gadgets Guide of 2022. It has the year's best headphones, keyboards, monitors, and other gear, giving your gameplay plenty of speed and edge. Immerse yourself in different worlds with the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 32 inches monitor. This gaming monitor has a 4 Kelvin 1000R curved screen along with a 240 Hz refresh rate. What's more, with its powerful performance, you can expect it to help you win. And, of course, it produces beautiful images to go along with the speed thanks to Quantum Mini LED and Quantum HDR 2000 at 2000 nits of brightness. Then, the 1,000:1 static contrast ratio enhances tiny details, totally transporting you. Meanwhile, the design is similar to its predecessors with its shiny white exterior and gorgeous curve. In terms of colors, the CORSAIR lighting technology ensures they have a lifelike quality. Overall, this is the gaming monitor you want in your setup. Create more space on your desk with the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Compact Keyboard. It features a 60% compact size with all the features of a full-size keyboard with its side-printed secondary functions. Moreover, this compact keyboard sports lag-free connectivity options via Bluetooth 5.0, wired, or 2.4 GHz, so you can work or play games without any restrictions. Furthermore, you can personalize this SteelSeries Apex keyboard to suit your needs. In fact, it offers sensitivity customization for every key from a speed 0.2 mm to an impactful 3.8 mm. This keyboard also allows you to program 2 different actions to the same key for powerful gaming shortcuts. Finally, enjoy 2-in-1 action keybinds, per key RGB illumination, and custom actuation points, which are all programmable through an easy-to-use software. Feel like the action is jumping off the screen with the Dell Alienware 34 curved QD-OLED gaming monitor. Boasting a 34 inches display with infinite contrast ratio, gaming sessions have never been more immersive. In fact, the vibrant, consistent colors, all within a sleek, stunning design, make you feel like you're a part of the action. Moreover, this Dell Alienware 34 inches gaming monitor offers a 175 Hz refresh rate to minimize loading times and prevent delays. With this high refresh rate, you'll experience enhanced colors and quicker speeds. Furthermore, this gaming monitor includes AlienFX-controlled animated LED lighting to help you excel and develop lifelike on-screen visuals. Overall, make gaming more fun and realistic with this monitor, which can keep up with a fast pace. Gameplay with precision and speed when you have the SteelSeries Airox 5 wireless lightweight gaming mouse. Weighing only 74 grams, it's perfect for high-impact games like Battle Royale, MOBA, FPA, and other fast-paced games. This lightweight gaming mouse also offers an ergonomic 9-button layout that's programmable as well as 5 quick-action side buttons. Moreover, the SteelSeries Airox 5 wireless uses Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz connectivity to offer up to 180 hours of non-stop play. Plus, Quantum 2.0 wireless technology transmits data at competitive speeds, so you'll always have your finger on the pulse. Additionally, this gaming mouse utilizes aqua barrier technology and has an IP54 rating to provide water resistance and dust and dirt protection. So you won't need to worry about drink spillages or having to regularly keep it clean. Overall, it helps you to excel thanks to its fast swipes, enabling you to beat the competition. Enjoy extended gameplay and comfort with the 8-bit Do Ultimate wired controller for Xbox. Compatible with Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, and Windows 10 and above, it includes customized button mapping and vibration control. You can also adjust the stick and trigger sensitivity. In fact, you can customize each stick for higher precision control. Moreover, this 8-bit Do Xbox wired controller boasts an enhanced grip to eliminate falls while you game. This controller also includes 4 sets of vibration motors to provide live feedback during gameplay. Meanwhile, the back buttons provide easy access to enhance comfort. Additionally, enjoy private gaming sessions by listening to music via the 3.5mm audio jack. Finally, the wire measures 3 meters to eliminate restrictions. Customize your gaming experience with the Razer Viper V2 Pro gaming mouse. It features 26 granular levels of height adjustment, compared to only 3 in the previous version. Speaking of customization, the 5 programmable buttons allow you to personalize this gadget to suit your needs. Moreover, this wireless gaming mouse is ultra lightweight for maximum comfort during extended gaming sessions. In fact, it's 20% lighter than other mice from the brand. The Razer Viper V2 Pro also includes a 30 Kelvin optical sensor for improved surface compatibility and better power efficiency. Furthermore, this wireless mouse offers an 80-hour battery life, so you needn't worry about the battery draining mid-game. Above all, it boasts a 90 million click lifecycle with zero no double-clicking issues and 0.2 ms actuation. These features combine to provide reliability and speed for all gameplay. Finally, it's available in black or white. Game the day away with the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max wireless headset. Compatible with many platforms, it also boasts 40+ hours of battery life. Choose your connectivity option, wireless USB or Bluetooth, to enjoy lag-free gaming on Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC, and Mac. Not only that, but it also works on compatible iOS and Android mobile devices. Moreover, offering app-based controls, it even has 3D spatial surround sound and 50mm nano-clear drivers. You'll also enjoy superior comfort thanks to its AeroFit cooling gel memory foam ear cushions and Pro Specs glasses-friendly design. The superhuman hearing technology paired with the metal-reinforced headband give it an overall design you'll love. Simply toggle a switch to alternate between your console, and use this updated headset to chat on Discord, take calls, or listen to music. Enjoy impressive graphics and power with the CORSAIR VOYAGER A1600 AMD Advantage Edition laptop. It combines the AMD Ryzen 6000 series processor and AMD Radeon RX 6800M mobile graphics with CORSAIR and Elgato's vast ecosystem of exclusive software and technologies. As a result, it delivers immense capabilities for gaming, content creation, and streaming. Moreover, this gaming computer can handle huge applications like Adobe After Effects or OBS Studio. All the while, cutting-edge components, such as AMD Smart Access Memory, help unlock endless power. Furthermore, it includes an advanced compact vapor chamber cooling system that evenly spreads heat and achieves lower temperatures. Finally, it sports a 1625/60 by 16:0 QHD plus IPS screen to display colors and amazing detail. And the ultra-high 240Hz refresh rate produces silky smooth gameplay. Get all the performance you need with the Razer Huntsman V2 optical gaming keyboard. This gadget boasts nearly zero input latency and Razer optical switches for faster and lighter performance. These keys give you up to an 8 Hz polling rate for reduced input latency. Plus, they come in two variants, linear and clicky. What's more, with a lightning-fast 0.2 ms response time, these second-gen optical switches are 3 times faster than magnetic switches. Meanwhile, you get smooth, silent keystrokes for an even typing experience. Plus, with the onboard cloud storage, you can save up to 5 profiles. Furthermore, the double-shot PBT keycaps are harder and more durable than ABS plastic, so you won't have to worry about them wearing down. Moreover, a sound-dampening foam absorbs pinging noises if you happen to bottom out your keys. Additionally, with an ergonomic wrist rest and multifunction dial, it's a convenient keyboard. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.